Hello, good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to fourth part of the excretions. Regulation of kidney functions. It is efficiently monitored the regulated by the hormones feedback mechanism involving the hypothalamus. The excretion the loss of fluid from the body can activate their receptors which stimulate the hypothalamus the release the antidiuretic hormones ADH antidiuretic hormones is released was or processing from the next ureopoiesis. ADH facilitates water reabsorption from later part of the tablet. ADH has also affected the kidney like this. How it is affect the kidney? Kidney functions by its considerably affect the blood vessels. These causes the increase in the blood pressures. It increases the glomerular blood flow, thereby GFR. GFR can activate the JG cells to release renin, which converts angiotensinogen in blood and angiotensions. It is angiotensin 1 and angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2, it is very vasoconstrictors, increase the glomerular blood pressures, and two stations are there, and 1 and 2. Aldosterone, it causes the reabsorption of Na plus and water from the part of the tablet. It is increase the blood pressure and GFR. It is known as renin-angiotensin mechanism. It releases the aldosterone and angiotensin 1, angiotensin 2 and renin. It the whole mechanism to increase and reabsorption of the sodium ion and water from the part of the tablet. It is total increase the blood pressure and GFR is all the mechanism is called as a renin angiotensin mechanism. ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. It increases the blood flow on the arteria of the heart, can cause the release of ANF. Decrease the blood pressures. Micturition. Urine forms by the nephron is ultimately carried to the urinary bladder. It is carried central nervous system, CNS, central nervous system. It is called micturition. The urine formed by the nephrons. The nephron is the functions of the kidneys. It is ultimately carried to the urinary bladder. It is called the central nervous system. It is signal CNS. It signals to the initiated by the stretching of the urinary bladder as it get filled with urine. How the mechanism takes place, they are explained. This signal is initiate the stretching of the urinary bladder and it gets filled with urine. Bladder send signal to the CNS, central nervous system. The urinary bladder get with filled with urine. It gives the signal to the central nervous system. The bladder is completed with the urine. Then CNS passes through the matter to the initiate the contraction, smooth muscle of the bladder, simultaneous relaxation of the urethral sphincters. If you get the signals to CNS, then causing the release of the urine. Micturition, the process of release of urine is called micturition. Micturition reflex, the neutral mechanism is called micturition reflex. 1 liter to 1.5 liters of urine per day the adult man can release. Characteristic of the urine. The urine is lightly yellow in color, which is slightly acidic, and the pH of the urine is 6.0. The characteristic odor. The average 25 to 30 gram of urea excretes per day, and the presence of glucose and ketones bodies in the urine are indeactivate of diabetic meltears. Thank you.